Crypto can be very overwhelming to get started with. There is so much to learn and people use so many big words.
Lot people trying to learn crypto.
That's too much information!
So I thought I can give you a 5-step plan that will take you from nothing to making your first crypto investment. Let's get started. If you're curious about something, then you'll automatically figure it out. I don't even need to tell you. So, as a first step, let's get curious. And the best way to do this is to go search for TEDx crypto videos on YouTube. You'll see people talking about crypto to the public, explaining the idea behind crypto. You'll get to know why crypto is important, why it is valued, and why it is needed. All of this will get you acquainted with crypto. Step number 2, get ready for some action. Here, I want to go and make your account on an exchange. Basically, what an exchange is that it allows you to buy crypto with your currency. So go and search for trustable exchanges in India or trustable exchanges in Malaysia, wherever you are from, and go make an account on them. Once you do, log into that account and look around. Click random buttons, open the trading terminal, see green and yellow bars. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Why are we doing this? Because in the next steps, we learn about crypto and we can relate those points back to buttons on the interface here. So go make your account on an exchange, log in and explore. Step number 3. Now it's time to become the Baba of all things crypto. Let's learn about crypto! Go and Google, how does crypto work? What is crypto? And you'll find so many crypto tutorials. Animated ones, people speaking, explainer videos, whiteboard animation crypto videos. Go down that rabbit hole and truly understand how crypto works. The goal here is not to become the professor of crypto. I know I said Baba in the start, but all you need to do is understand how these concepts play out practically. Like anonymity. Crypto is anonymous. Okay, so how does that play out practically? Well, you send crypto to people's anonymous wallet IDs rather than their phone numbers. That's all you need to know. Just like this, there are so many concepts. Just understand how they work practically in real life. That's enough for the start. Step number 4. We are one step away from making our first investment. Now we learn about the finance world. Here, you learn about the basics of using exchanges, how to buy and sell crypto, and how to read charts. So, first of all, go to YouTube and search for how to read crypto charts. If you learn about stocks, that's okay too, because in this part, crypto and stocks are very similar. Also, you must check out personal finance and investing mindset. You see, you know how to buy or sell a crypto, but do you really know when you should buy, how much money you should put in, what are the returns you get? For this, search for basics of investing on YouTube. This is very general and is common between stocks, mutual funds, crypto, or any other financial instrument. Once you've done this, you will be ready. Step number 5. Let's buy our first crypto. No. But not so fast. Before we invest, we do research. Simple. You already know the steps. Go to YouTube, try to search for researching crypto coins for beginners. You'll find many tutorials here again. Try to stick to the basics. Once you have learned how to research, now let's go and pick a crypto coin. As a beginner, I would recommend you only pick a coin out of the top 10 currencies. Once you find one currency, just click on it and start researching. If you're convinced, now you can make your first ever crypto investment. Yay! Congratulations! You are a crypto investor now. In 2 weeks, you became a crypto investor. From zero to crypto investing hero. Let's recap. Step 1, get curious. Step 2, look around and see how the exchange is like and how the interface is like. Step 3, understand crypto. Step 4, understand finance. Step 5, research. And step 6, buy your first crypto. I even made a small guide for you with everything about crypto, all the things we mentioned, all the resources, everything you should read to help you get started. But before you use that guide, consider clicking the subscribe button. It's a deal, right? I give you the guide, you give me a subscribe. Sounds fair? Okay, then I'll see you in the next one. Peace.